Hello. Can you guys hear me? Is the stream running good? Yes, everybody's hearing me. So, welcome to this backtesting trading session on 6th of March. We're gonna do a backtesting of this GJ. Last time we did backtesting was before this week. I think it was, let me go ahead in 1 hour. I think it was right over here. When this push up, we closed here, and then I decided to do for the next week, and then during the next week we got this huge rejection, which we missed all this on the back testing, but it's fine because we will always miss trades like this. So now we are in the last week of the monthly candle. Monthly candle has no wick at the bottom, is showing rejection as presented on a weekly, so weekly closed very weak bullish, rejecting all the way on a Friday. Closed on Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. On Tuesday closed with no wick, and then start to reject this, and then obviously clean traffic. Then so what I usually see when this type of move happens, I see just a break below, a retest, and a continuation to a downside, but that's just what I remember from time to time looking at the charts. I'm not sure. We're not gonna obviously be based on that. We're gonna trade based on our trading plan, which we have our setups here, this one. You can go ahead, pause, and read our trading plan. Let's go ahead just till the end so you get all information that I have currently on my trading plan. And yeah, so let's start. Monthly is rejecting, weekly closed bearish. We can start here because this is now it's right over here on daily closure, so we really need, like, we're gonna trade only Tokyo, London and New York session because that's what we trade usually. We open with a gap here, so probably this gap is gonna close. So daily is rejecting. Daily has a level here which needs to break, which is also a bit of support, and the next one is right over here. Let's go ahead and clone these objects on lower time frame as also on higher time frames. So on lower time frame it's perfectly aligned, or almost perfectly aligned. We have the support here, and then we have another support here on 4-hour time frame, I believe. Yes, we are in 4-hour. You can see here down 4-hour time frame. And once we break this below, I believe we will continue down to this level. But obviously we can find some sort of support here and then correct this, because the new week will need to have a wick at any time and also closed bullish. So even though it's weak bullish, we can fill the whole week. But yeah, we need to break above here for buys, to have a confirmation above for buys. Let's go and clone this object. Also this maybe, clone and update. Yeah, so now we have it on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour time frame. We have this level right over here, which I'm gonna look for buys on. I'm gonna look for buys only above here. I'm not gonna touch this range, especially in the beginning of the week. And yeah, I'm gonna try to take sells below this range. Here is also very tricky, but what I would like is price to come here, fake out to the upside, close back inside the range, and then maybe we will take a sell with stop loss around here and then take profit all the way down here. On 30-minute time frame we can see this also clearly, that now price is finding support here. Obviously this is going to be quite hard to break this support, and yeah, we can fast forward. So let's not go too deep on smaller time frame without having our sessions. So let's check. I think maybe it's better to keep trades up here. So we need to go here to London. This now it's Sunday and opening the price, so this is nothing that we need to. Maybe we go on 15 minutes, we do it more faster. This is very helpful. The name of the software is Soft4FX. Now we're breaking down. Pretty nice on Tokyo session. Let's see if we can maintain. We're closing back below again. So 1 hour closed below like this at right at support. So I believe if we break these lows, we will continue to a downside, especially now that the weekly is showing signs of rejection. A daily break the previous day low, and monthly can also have room to go down. But we need a clean closure below here, and yeah, that's what we're gonna wait. Let's see. This is Tokyo session, so we need now. I believe if we break the lows here, we will have a clean sell. Let's check. It's 30 pip with 20 and 76 pips. So maybe why not take a trade here? Let's go on smaller time frame. Yeah, 30-minute is moving down, retesting the low. 15-minute also, but yeah, we need the break of these lows, especially in this small volume times. 5-minute is also. So we need a break below here, even though I believe we will continue to the downside. Nope, we found support. Now we're finding this resistance, and this is pre-London, so now we should be good to continue. 4 hour is moving down. 4 hour has 1.5 hour left to close, so it can, if we break the 4 hour lows, I believe we need to take a sell just like now. It would be nice to have this. Yeah, the closure is gone, so probably I'm just gonna take a sell here. Let me see if it makes sense with stop losses. 20 pip or 60 pip. Yeah, the stop losses are so bad, but we have a big range also to come down to, which we can clean easily. Till here we have like 50 pips, so probably I'm gonna do a half risk on this. 47, so I'm gonna take a sell with 20. How much was on 15-minute? Current 15-minute candles? 22 pip. Let's take a sell here. And yeah, it's half risk, very risky. Pre-London, I'm anticipating the price to keep pushing down because we retested, we corrected, we retested this previous support, now turned into resistance. This was support, resistance. So I believe probably I should have wait for a clean closure below here. Not probably, but I should have, but I don't know why. That's why it's half risk. Yeah, sorry. Sorry about that. So yeah, I mean, it's a bit tricky, it's a bit risky, especially with the stop loss, but the stop loss is very small, so it's fine. I believe it should be good. So let's see how we're moving. Now we're moving in profits. Let's keep it in pips. We're like 2-3 pips, 4 pips. Yeah, we're continuing down. We should never flip and back inside the range. I'm anticipating this 15-minute to close below this support. If we close above, I'm gonna close position, even though if we don't hit, but I don't see it closing because we're already inside this range and we reject it quite clearly. But obviously we can still keep inside this range and wait for the London volume to push price down or give it a direction. But we broke this previous level, we broke this one also, so now should be good. We are 13 pips in profit. I'm gonna keep this position because it's half risk, so I'm gonna keep this position to run probably till, let's wait for this 30-minute candle closure. 15-minute candle closure. Let's see how this 15 and 30-minute candle closes. Let's go quickly and check the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour, the previous 1 hour is very high, so we can obviously see a big retracement, so that's what I'm a bit afraid of. But maybe at 20 pips, if we reach the 20 pip mark like this, we are now at 21 pip. Maybe it's more smart to move stops at break even, present risk, and close like just 20% just for the sake of closing some profits here. And if we retrace, we retrace, but because if I was with full risk, I would close all my position, half of my position now, let the rest run. But yeah, as of now, we're moving very nicely. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes. Yeah, 30-minute is amazing because we closed with a wick or no wick. Wait, we're closing with no wick, so at 25 pips, I'm gonna close all my position here. So yeah, I don't like candle closures without no wick, and the 1 hour already moved quite a lot. 1 hour moved already 76 pips, so I don't anticipate a move like 100 pips. I see price coming a bit, retracing, and then potential. So I don't want it because my entry is below this support, below this possible new resistance that price will come, and then it can easily come, hit, and then roll down. So that's why I closed it. And we can see a rejection or just a continuation, but I don't mind even if we continue to the downside because that's what I'm comfortable. But we can leave it roll because just to keep measuring it, like 5 minutes is also made a nice wick, and then just a continuation 5-minute hour candle here was perfect. And look at all these bearish 5 minutes. So yeah, now price is continuing to a downside to roll down. It moved 20 more pips to a downside. That's nice. And yeah, 1 hour has decided to clean all this range. Maybe next time I'm gonna close. It's nice to close 90% and leave 10% just to get used to these, because this is now, for example, here. This was the level that I wanted to. This level here, this previous strong level 163.5, but I'm still happy with the trade taken. So maybe we roll on the next one and see. Ooh, price, look, price just moved, completely cleaned all the range in pre-London. So another trade I would like to take now is to find some sort of support here, and either on the break of support or coming back, forming resistance and taking the loss. So the trade that I took was something like this. We were at support, breaking support here, and then continuation. But now I would like to take this trade when price moves low, came back, formed resistance, and then retest the low. It's basically what happened here. Made the low, came back, formed resistance, and retested this low. That's what I would like here to come back up again, clean this imbalance, or like I don't know. Anyway, form a resistance here and then retest this low that made just now. But we will have to wait and see. Price is retracing now. So now let's see how the 1 hour close like this, 30-minute is like this. 30-minute already like broke the previous candle, retested the low. So yeah, it's quite tricky. 15, yeah. This 5-minute. So as you can see, there's a nice support here. Confirming price this at support. So now this setup is invalid because we already retested the low. So now I'm gonna wait for closure below here or for some sort of support here to form to come back price up. This now actually it's quite tricky, so I'm not. Let's just see how price rolls. Yeah, broke the low. Let's see. 15-minute at support, 30-minute at support, 1 hour like this, 4 hour closed. So 4 hour closed very nicely, bearish. Break the lows, should continue and clean this whole range till this new level that it has right here, or maybe right here. Yeah, we'll leave it right here. Let's check the daily. Yeah, daily is moving very nice, fine at coming to the support here. If we close below here, I think it's good. We will be good to go down. Let's move our support to a level that is interesting to us and wait for closure below the support. Now 1 hour, just like here, price at support. We have price at support, we closed below. Price at support, we closed below. So technically, this trade should be very good to take because we closed below here, engulfing the support candle. As soon as we break the low, I think we should be good to go down. We are obviously at a resistance level, but at 38 pip, with the next level from here till here of 74, like almost 1 to 2, I believe it's a very nice, especially in London. So maybe I will take a sell here, a pending at 3 pip from here, sell stop, something like this. Let's see, yeah, 3 pips. Spread is gonna activate us, but yeah, let's see. So yeah, we are in a trade now. Let's see if we need to very aggressively manage the risk here because we don't have a proper closure below support. Let's see on the 5 minute. Let's hope that this 5 minute closes below. And yeah, 5 minute is closing below. This is very nice now. Now I believe we should be good to go down, no matter what. We have a nice closure, and yeah, we are 5 pip in profit now. We're just rolling close to our entry area. And yeah, we should be good. Even though we have all this drop, we should not anticipate so much big drop. Like from here, you can see all the drop till here. Price is not just gonna. Let's see if we have some news actually. We had this news, but low impact, nothing really attracting us. So at 10 pip, I'm just gonna move stops at break even probably if we manage to reach 10 pip area. And yeah, because I feel like it's a bit risky, or at least above here, like above 15 minute. Let's see this 1 hour candle closure. Our stop loss is very nice. It's a current 1 hour, but this will close soon, so it should be good for it to continue down. And if we close like this, it would be amazing to close at least below support. So let's see these 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes finding a bit of support. Let's see. I don't really like it because this is major support. As you can see here in 1 hour, this is very strong support. So, and we have already had a huge move, so maybe it's better to, yeah, 1 hour will close like this. 1 hour closed nicely. I have to be, this 4 hour is continuing. Yeah, I'm afraid of this retracement. Yeah, 15-minute close. I'm just gonna move stops at break even, or just close probably everything here, and then I will give it a second chance as soon as we break below here, because I don't want to get stuck in this retracement. So as soon as we break now this support, I'm gonna re-enter, but I believe there's a retracement coming in, and I don't want to sit in drawdown, especially after these 15 minutes. Yeah, now the retracement is coming. That 15-minute support confirmed here on this small candle here. It's not it's something that made me close that position. And then yeah, let's put it 1%, no risk. And let's see if we come up here till here, form some sort of resistance. Coming back, breaking the lows would be amazing. Now it's also the 4-hour will close in this 30 minutes. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, very nice closure. That was quite good to anticipate this. Oh, wow, this is insane. How big was this 15-minute candle? 77 pips. Wow, 5-minute candle. Wow, this is mad. Guys, I'll come in a bit. So I had to take a quick break. Okay. Now is the wait, 15-minute. Why I didn't on this. So now I guess if we add a closure above here, we will continue to this level here, like just the same area that we take trades. So let's wait and see if we're gonna have a closure or a rejection. At this point we have a rejection, but 1 hour is still very strongly closed. The 4 hour closed like this bearish, weak bearish, but our candle meaning that if we don't break the highs here, obviously now we cannot trade till here. This is our resistance, this is our support. So yeah, we're just gonna be inside this range and then wait and see how price will move. This, like this, like this, like this, like I don't want to be stuck inside this range. As you can see now we are in the range and we broke below the range. Ooh, that's quite quick that I moved, yeah. Okay, no problem. 4 hours filling this week is continuing its way to the downside, so I believe now if we can, I will wait because it's lost 15 minutes. If it pushes, it pushes. But ideally, yeah, I lost 5 minutes are bearish. Yeah, I see this one just moving down, to be honest, even though it's 1 hour. How's the 1 hour? 1 hour candle is quite big. Yeah, 4 hours like this, 30 minutes. It's like this, 15 minutes is just pushing down now as expected. Yeah, let's wait and see how this candle closes. It's already gone. The 1 hour already gone, clean too low and clean to this minor support here, so I don't see nothing happening, to be honest. Just no more. Now we can wait for a rejection to form. We already have that rejection, so now potentially we can continue. So I'll take a sell here maybe. Let me count this. This is very stupid sell, but anyway. Because ours, yeah, I'm not gonna take this. This is very strong resistance. I don't feel comfortable taking this trade. I'm not gonna take it anyway. Even though it moved quite nicely. As expected from here till here, it moved like 26 pips, very nice. But I didn't feel comfortable. Yes? So, I'm back. Um, let's see where we left. Today's session is almost over. Let's see the 4 hour close very strongly bearish, but now we're approaching this range zone, which I don't want to be traded. I would like either to form some sort of support and then move up for correction, because obviously today we moved a lot, 207, 280 pips. I'm not looking for sells, even though the trend is very bearish, but yeah. Let's see. Now we're having this closure in 15 minutes. If we have a wick to the upside and come back, break the highs here, I think it's good to take a sell, to take a buy here. A very risky buy, a very quick buy. And I'm gonna take this, but let's see now. It's a very counter trend trade, but usually we're due to a correction, and now we're moving up nicely. On the 15 minute, we have a U-turn set up here, coming back, break the fake out outside the range, come back inside this big range, and now we're moving up very nicely, 10 pip. I should move stops at break even now, so I'm gonna close, maybe because I'm full risk, maybe I'm gonna close 30% of this position. And just to have a bit of profit, because we can hit break even at any time. And yeah, let's see now we wait and see. I believe, yeah, it's quite tricky. We can easily hit stop loss because this is previous support, now can turn into resistance or make a wick on 15 minutes to move up. But I don't want to be in drawdown, especially in a bearish trend as big as this. So we were saved. If we flip now, we flip. If we don't, we don't. But yeah, let's see if we can take this at 5% profit in this week, because it's Monday. So we're gonna trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and let's see if we can put it. If I reach 1% here at any point, I'm gonna close. Yeah, I'm gonna close now my trade. Oh, no, I'm gonna leave it run. We're breaking the highs on 15 minutes. Current 15 minutes, we're breaking this. We should be good to go up now. At 20 pip, I'm gonna close partial here. I'm gonna close to 50%. So it's nice. Let's see, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle, next candle. Let's see the 30 minute. The 30 minute is perfect because we have our entry previous 30 minute low, our candle. Last 15 minutes is bullish. This should continue to the upside. At 24, I'm gonna close another 50%. Oh, I closed everything. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now we're having this rejection. At this point, we made a low. We came back from rejection inside this range. If it was high volume time, but I'm not gonna take this trade, but I believe this can retest the low easily without breaking these highs or these highs. But it's like not high volume times, and I don't like that. So yeah, now price is moving up very nicely to the upside. It's very nice. We're breaking above again this range, so we should be able to move now just up. And now we're rejecting that. Now that's clearly like faking out inside this 30-minute bearish. Now we should just easily retest the low, basically on this setup right over here. So yeah, maybe a sell here would be nice. 20 pip. Let's put it half risk. And let's wait for the let's see the 15 minute. If this 15-minute candle closes bearish, yeah, not really strong bearish, but anyway, it would be nice sell around here. If we come up flip, I think it's good sell. But no, 30-minute hasn't closed, so yeah, no, without 30-minute closure, I'm not gonna take anything. You see, waiting for candle closure is always very important. And now, for example, now we can easily move to the upside. But yeah, let's move to the next day. Let's see at least here, just to have these pictures. Yeah, we are inside this range. Oh, inside the range, okay. Tokyo session moved up, now we're ranging pre-London, moved up again, wow. Inside that range again, so this is London. Okay, daily made a wick. We need only sells on the break of the lows inside these ranges. Previous 1 hour, this is a big range now, so yeah, it's very tricky if I take trades here. Should be able to move down inside this range again. Okay, so this is perfect. We're closing below this range. 4 hour breaking the lows, 4 hour is about to close. So yeah, not really. The 1 hour moved up very nicely. How much moved this? 30 pip where I wanted to take this sell. It's like 23 pip, that was nice, but anyway. Now is the new 4 hour candle, so we need to be very cautious about that wick, and yet we have this range, so we need to break this low, break the support for it to continue for us to take a sell here. Why I don't have this in smaller time frame also? Yeah, this is nice now. Now either I wait for a resistance to form and then take sells, or break on these lows. But for the break of the lows, we need quite a lot of confirmations. As this 15-minute now maybe is very nice. If we flip, break the lows, we should be good to go down inside the range, but with small stop loss, yeah. With stop loss like this, I took a sell here, a bit risky, but yeah, anticipating a move down. We need to be very aggressively managing our risk. Boing. Yeah, ooh, this is moving pretty nice. 18 pips, move stops at break even. Let's see how the candles are forming. 4 hour continuing its bearish momentum. Dailies continuing the bearish momentum. Very nice. 4 hour like this. 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute. No support in the side. So I believe we should just. I'm gonna close partial just because I want to have this. I was half free, so I'm not gonna close anything. Anyway, I'm gonna let it run. If it runs, it runs. Because I believe I have a nice entry, so let's aim for the stars. Usually whenever I aim for the stars, I get stopped out, especially after this huge move where due to a correction. So I'm gonna close 50%, whatever. Now we're moving up very nicely. 30-minute is moving nicely. We're almost close. 15-minute close, very strong bearish. 1 hour, let's see the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is moving up below the support. If we close this 1 hour in 10 minutes below this line here, meaning that this will just, then I think it just will smash down for at least 20 other pips, so we close full position at 40 plus pips. So let's see how the 1 hour closed pretty nice. I think we have an amazing entry. So now we wait. Whenever we have a 15-minute closure bullish, we close our position like this. Let me see how big was it. Yeah, we were at 50 pips and I forgot to check anyway. I'm gonna move, maybe modify my stop loss here, accept, and then we can let this one run. But there we have this 15-minute, let's go 40 pip. I said at 40 pip I'm gonna close, let's reach, oh no, go 40. 35, I close everything there. Because I don't like this. Now it's amazing. Let's see if we're just gonna push down or what's gonna happen here. Yeah, technically we're just pushing down. Ooh, mamma mia. This, how many pips? 130 pips, that would have been very nice. Okay, 4 hours just smashed through this support. As expected, I told you we have 1 hour closure below here. We should be good to go down, but yeah, I follow my plan. I said I'm gonna close everything if I reach 40 pips, and yeah. Let's go down now to another day, because today I think we moved quite a lot, so I don't see any clean traffic, especially after this level taking out here, the support. And I'm not gonna take sells anymore after this bullish momentum, so yeah. So we're gonna move to the next day and see what the price will be on next day. Yeah, oof. Now we're just continuing this bearish momentum. This is insane. What's happening here? Now we're close back inside the range. If we close above this level, I think we can easily take buys above here. Like above this level. The 4 hour also. We have this huge traffic to clean. Daily wick can be, daily is at big support, so can't really break directly. But yeah, I told you in the beginning, as every time that I see this move boom, and then we just have a quick retest and then we just smash down always. I've seen this over and over and over again. So let's wait for a closure above. I believe now once we flip, we should be good to continuing up. I took 2 positions because I'm half risk here. I want to be at full risk in this breakout, even though there's not a clean break, so I can easily take a loss here. I didn't wait for clear confirmation breaks above, but let's see if we will get that closure or not above. pre-London, so maybe, yeah, we got this closure, I believe, above this resistance, so now we should be good to go up. Our stop loss is in nice. Previous 1 hour closing like this. This should be good to continue to the upside. 4 hour breaking the highs. If we flip, we should be good to go up. And let's see, 13, 17, 20 pips in profit. We're approaching this, so maybe should be good to close one position. Do you think should I close one position? Yeah, but not really, because our stop loss is very big. Maybe I'm gonna let it run. Let's see the 15 minute, let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute is very strong bullish, so I'm gonna keep this trade. Even though we're approaching, this is my concern because we're approaching this level. But if we come to our entry point, I'm gonna close. Or I should just modify my stops to this level here so I don't take a full, and modify here also to this level here so I don't take at least full risk in this winning trade. This should be nice. Let's see if we will continue or not at 20 pips. I'm gonna close. I close one position at 20 pips. This should be nice. 5 minute breaking the highs again. So I'm gonna leave this position to run. And we're all already 2% in profit. This is very nice. But we're coming to our entry, so I'm gonna move my stops at break even. I don't want at least to be in loss after this. So yeah, let's see if, yeah, we were taking out 30-minute close bearish. That's very interesting. Now we're coming back inside. Let's see the 1 hour, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. The 1 hour never closed actually above this, so I believe as soon as we break these lows here, as we're moving up now, see the 30-minute, yeah, 30 minutes is breaking this. We're already late. We should have been in sells below here because this is a U-turn setup for sells, closing back inside the range, break the lows of this candle. We should have been already in position right over here for 12 pips and move already stops at break even. So yeah, this is tricky, but now we're entering this range here. Like till here we are in a range and I don't want to really be stuck now to take a trade in middle of the range. So even though I believe we're gonna continue to the downside because 1 hour is now just breaking, but if we break below here, I believe we'll continue to the downside, so we have enough room here. And let's see, 4 hour flipping now bearish. London volume pushing price down. Let's see, 5 minutes moving down. Yeah, this is just a fly. Yeah, this was anticipated very nicely. This would have been an amazing trade candle. 58 pips with 35 pip profit. This would have been amazing. Let's check now. We're flipping back again. 4 hour continuing its bearish momentum. Daily flip. On a daily flip, I believe. Let's see where is the daily flip? This 8-6 is 25 pips. So here is the daily. So on a daily flip, I believe we can smash it once we flip this candle. we flip it, and then we should be good to go down. Wow, this is insane. All this rejection. Now I think we're good to go down again. So I'm gonna take a sell here. Stop loss above here because I believe we will just smash through again down with the momentum. If we don't, we don't. I'm happy with this. Let's see. We didn't take any loss so far, so we're due to a loss actually. We need to take a loss because not every trade can be a winning trade, right? So yeah, now we are 11 pip. Let's move this at break even. So let's not beat this the last trade at 20 pip. We can close a bit of partial maybe. Close like 30%. And let's see this move down. 1 hour is continue. Oh, previous 1 hour close bullish. That's into 4 hour close bullish. Yeah. Close part. Oh, didn't even lie. I didn't even see these because I would close everything right here. But yeah, Wednesday 2% profit for the week. This should be good. Now we can easily go to the upside because 4 hour is bullish. We just made a retracement. 1 hour is breaking the highs. 30-minute, if we have a closure in 30-minute candle above there, then I believe we're on the break of these highs. I believe we will just smash through. Yeah. And it's happening. Let's see the 15-minute candle closing. On the break of these highs, I can take a buy maybe. Or at the retracement wick maybe. But this is a resistance, so I have to be careful. 5 minute is bearish. We need a 5-minute candle closure to the upside. Yes. Another one. Yes. This is the buy candle. Oh, the 1 hour. The 1 hour closed very nicely. Just made the lower wick, and then as soon as we flip, I believe we should be good to go up. Let's wait and see. 15-minute. 15-minute is playing around. 5-minute is playing around also. Actually, this looks good for a sell because I've seen this rejection multiple times. I know I'm changing my direction quite often, but we tried here once, we faked out once, we're breaking these lows, not enough momentum. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour is bullish, that's the problem. 1 hour close bullish, yeah, I'm not gonna take sells here, no chance. 30-minute bullish, yeah. Even though I can see it coming completely down, I cannot take this because it's not according to my trading plan. Or at least we need a closure inside the range. A closure that, like this one here would have been nice because then we get a closure below here, and on the break of the lows we can anticipate a mirror to this clean traffic, but without that, not really. Yeah, now we have a support in 5 minutes. Yeah, not really. Price will just smash through now. To the upside, to the downside, to the upside. No, it's breaking down. This is nice. Let's see how the 1 hour will close. If this 1 hour closes bearish, then we have a chance. But I mean, I don't know why am I forcing too much trades inside this range. I'm really stupid being now. This is not something that I really care about. I'm looking for buys above here and sells below here, and I don't care what happens inside this range. I'm not gonna be stupid. Yeah, look at all these fake outs. Now we're cleaning that range, nice. Now we're coming back below. 1 hour close bearish. After this 1 hour closure bearish, on the break of the lows I could have taken a sell. Okay, that was a good idea, but not really good executed. 30 minutes just breaking the lows. 4 hour, let's see, 4 hour close very weak bullish, so that could also be an indication of not very strong bullish momentum. Last 1 hour was bearish, so break of the lows could have made sense on that wick fill to the downside minimum. And now let's see this 1 hour closure, if we close below or not. Not really below. 4 hour still bearish, 30-minute bearish, no wick at the top. Yeah, not very. This can be now a good sell maybe. Okay, I'm gonna take this stupid sell because I'm like, you see, even sometimes I really deserve to lose this trade. How stupid can I be to take this trade? Should I close everything here? I'm gonna close 50% here. That was the stupidest trade I took in this live stream. Inside the range, 15 minutes, but I was anticipating this. Lesson of the day, lesson of this backtesting. That's why you do, because you see all the mistakes that you take. Even though it's not real money, you still get like these urges to take trades, and now we're closing again above. Yeah, let's see if this. Yeah, really, this was a shitty day. Like, look, all these ranges, all these, oh my god. Now look, now we're going up, up again, up again, up again, up again, closing probably back inside again. Let's see the 1 hour, yeah, closed again. This is just nasty. Okay, let's take a buy here because we're breaking the highs. Let's see if this plays out. I don't feel like this will play out a lot, but let's see. We have 15-minute save. We have this range here. We closed above for the first time. We should be able to continue. We have new open. So let's see. Nice, we're flipping. Let's add another position as we're flipping now because we're due to a quite strong move. After all these range here, we're breaking finally to the upside. We're closing again up. Let's see. We're closing back inside again. This is so bad. We're gonna get stopped out probably. Yeah, congratulations to another loss. Ooh, how lucky can you be? Not really, because you can try now the taste of being stopped out, yeah. Then we can take a sell here because I believe we just continue to the downside, and this is the last trade that I'm gonna take in this session because I need to go, and yeah. And then I stuck inside a trade. Really stupid, and then basically lost everything that I made. Nice. Stupid guy. Stupid decisions. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. This is what happens when you're stuck too much in the range. And next sessions we're gonna be focusing much more to speed up the stuff. So we have Wednesday 26th of April. That's where the next session gonna start, and yeah, I was a bit tired in the end, so that's why maybe I took those stupid decisions. But anyway, in the beginning we had very nice trades according to our trading plans. And like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys on the next live stream session. Bye bye.